YouTube, what's happening, guys and girls? S13 content video this time round. We are down at Offset All House. S13 is here. I've already got the front bumper off. We are finally going to sort out the wheels. I don't know if anyone remembers from the last videos, but the wheels are pretty battered and feeling sorry for themselves. You can see the faces. These used to be brushed. They've white-wormed. They're pretty battered. The lips, I think I can polish up myself. So we are going to throw the car on axle stands. My friend Craig is on his way here. He is actually heading up to see Faz tomorrow, 5 powder coating. Faz is going to be powdering the faces for me. Don't know yet, so we'll see at the end of this video. Debating either I go silver or anthracite. We'll see what I end up deciding when it gets to the end of the video. I'm going to try and polish the lips up myself. We've got a set of brand new Toyo tyres ready to go, so they will also get put on once these wheels are done. And this should be the beginning of the revamp of the S13. All being well, someone can hold me accountable for this. This S13 should be at Slammed UK's Gravity show, August 25th. This is going to be the current look for the S13 for the next few days. Another video, another bevy.
Always.
Wheels are coming off. Someone's stolen my 2 axle stands, so I've got to find something that I'm leaving under here.
Go and watch those front axle stands. I'm going to jack it higher.
Selected jacking utensil is a damaged rotor.
It's a rep.
Oh, that's alright then, we could definitely get it under there.
It's not real.
Right. The tread wear on these rear tyres is interesting. Tell me you've been skidding. Mate, I even vlogged going to some GTI. Yeah. We done a test one before I found out if I was going to damage anything, because I definitely dooga-doogaed them out. But we have success. We have 1 face out. 3 more wheels to go. Do not do this at home. This is if you're being really lazy.
No, this is called efficiency.
And if it causes a problem, you deal with the problem at a later date.
See, look out, look. That out. 5 little. Always use the gun.
Our 4 faces are out. So they've definitely seen better days. Well done, Ben. That's what you get when you just leave your car doing nothing. So we've decided, because these 2 have told me to, gloss silver. Are you going to polish my lips? Why? Okay.
I'm even polishing my own lips.
I'm polishing my lips, so that'll be in this video. The Toyo, we've got a brand new set of Toyo tyres somewhere up there, and we are going to put them on as well. Here is our personal face collection. Oh, we've got different wheels.
Drift car.
He's got his skid wheels on. They're Seat wheels as well. Oh, air it out, air it out, air it out. Now we're going to wait for him to get out of the car and explain himself. Everybody meet Craig. He's got that much of a flex. He's also got a bagged F80 M3. Excuse me?
Hello?
Can you talk to me about this?
You got a drift band on the way up to Fazzy's.
Wait till you see the blue it had.
Oh, is that what it was? While the faces are away. Well, the faces are actually on their way back to me. But it was time to get the lips done. So to give everyone a reminder, this is the current state that we're working with. I've given 2 a quick blasting over the other day. Not perfect, I've got to admit, but they're coming up. This is one that I'm working on now, which this one, I'm going to go over the other 2 because this one's come up 10 times better so far already. So you can see the difference. So we're going to blast these over. And then in the next clip should be the next day when the faces arrive. Build these bad boys back up. 3 down, 1 to go. They don't even look like they're the same wheel. There is some small imperfections in them, but considering there's been no sanding, it's just me with a drill, these have come up unreal. We've got the faces back. We went for a gloss silver. They've come out sick. Thank you, Faz, 5 powder coating. It is now rebuild time. Let's see how the combo's going to look. Not too shabby. They're really shiny, baby. Rebuild time. So the way, I'm not a professional wheel builder, by the way. I suppose we've done that bit first.
Not professional wheel cleaner either, look at their barrels.
Don't out me like that. So I go 1 in, slack, and then 1 bolt every 5 holes. Tighten those up and torque them up to what they should be. And then we can dooga the rest of them in and run around them with the torques. We're on the last wheel, so we're running over them all, making sure that they're all torqued up. I've gone 20 foot-pound of torque. 20 foot-pound? Yeah, 20 foot-pound. Might be a little bit overkill, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. Apart from that, they're all good and ready to go. Lads, they look insane. They actually look too good to be going back on the S13 with the way they are right now. Our Toyo tyres are up there, so we're going to get those down. Go and get these scrubs off, and then we can get them on the car and see how they look. We've gone with Toyo TR1s. These are a newer style. Meant to be pretty good. I was recommended these for someone for the R8, so we're going to give these a go. Boys, she's done. The wheels are back in their former glory. They definitely don't look like they should be on this car right now with the way that the bodywork is on this car, but that is a work in progress. That is going to happen. The wheels have come out insane. The lips aren't perfect, but they're definitely good enough. Faz, you've done a wicked job on the centres. Anyway, we've got brand new tyres on. They need worn in. You know there's only one way we can do this. It's burnout time. And guys and girls, that's going to be the end of the video. This is the start of getting this S13 back to really good condition. The plan is for Gravity Show, if I can get someone to get the bodywork done in time, we need to repair all the fiberglass, hit it with some paint, and see if we can get that done in time. Apart from that, thank you for tuning into the video. Hit a like, drop me a comment. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.